Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. It's been a while since I posted a video. That means all of our vehicles have been running fairly well. Today I do have a project. This is my daughter's car, a 2006 Ford Fusion. And the presenting problem is that the brake light, the center brake light that's up here, the light is burnt out. Go ahead, Rach, hit the brakes. As you can see, there's nothing going on there, even though the brakes are on. So it's a very simple fix. I'm just going to walk you through it in this video. Okay, for replacing the center brake light, you open the trunk, and right up here is the light. So just simply turn it, and it comes down, and there's the burnout center brake light. I will take it out, match it up, and purchase a new one at O'Reilly's. The center brake light, the number is 921. I bought a Sylvania from O'Reilly's, like $6.99 for a pack of 2. Also bought some bulb grease. This is always good to use. Just open it up right there. Just put a little bit around the connections, and it will just it will extend the life of the bulb and help prevent bad connection and overheating. Okay, take a little bit of bulb grease, and you just squeeze it out, actually right here. Just a little bit, don't need a whole lot. And then, slide it down here. It's real easy. You can go in both ways. You just put it in place. There we go. Okay, to put the bulb in place, I mean the bulb's already in the socket, but to put the socket in place, you do have to line it up. It goes in, it has to go in exactly. There it is. I've already pushed it up, and once you push it up, you just turn it clockwise, just like a 1/8 of a turn, and that's done. Okay, hit the brakes. All right, so the brakes are on, including the center brake right there. So this job is complete. Yeah, please hit the like button. Please also subscribe and hit the bell notification for the next Scott's Garage. Have a great day.